into a nice living area. The home has a wood-burning fireplace. The flooring is a laminate style flooring, laminate wood flooring. You can see you have excellent views out. This would be facing west. And you have very high, nicely vaulted ceilings. Heading around, you can see that there is the living area and stairs up to the loft. As we walk through, this is actually like a little sort of sunroom or sitting area. It's currently being used as an office space here with storage. And the cabinets, I do not believe the cabinets are attached, so they would likely go with the tenant. As you can see, as we go to the window out to the south here, that is your nearest neighbor. The lot lines are basically between both houses. And then you'll see here the neighbors to the south and east. I'm going to go upstairs first and give you another view of the living area. It's actually a nice size, fairly open. We'll go up the stairs. To the loft area here. The owners had used this as a master bedroom, but the tenant is actually utilizing it for their son. So it has become his bedroom. There's a ceiling fan. And this bed is just a custom-made bed that would not stay with the home. There is a full bath here. So you have your shower. And views, of course, to the south. And the toilet's behind this door here, and your vanity. Flooring in this room is a laminate flooring, like a linoleum. It's actually not tile, but it looks quite nice. Overall, the home has been very well maintained and appears to be in good condition. There's some wear on the carpeting, which is to be expected, giving you a view down to the living area again. Walking down the stairs, and over to the kitchen and dining area. So there is a dining area here. Oh, in this closet right here would be the washer and dryer hookups. Right now the dryer is hooked up in the garage, but you can put a stackable here in this closet. So you do have a dryer hooked up as well. Panning back around, you can see your closest neighbor to the east through the window, and then the kitchen here. The kitchen was added in the last 10 years or so, and it was slightly remodeled with new cabinetry. And I'll come over on this side. You can see the little bar or work area here. And coming into the kitchen, I will pan around so you can sort of see the living area and then the dining area. Walking through the hallway here, this goes, there's a full bath on the main level also. So you have a shower and pedestal sink with toilet. This flooring is a tile floor and appears to be in good condition. And then you have the master. You have the closet, obviously. The master south facing. This home has a lot of light. It's really nicely done, actually. And that is the master bedroom. There's one ceiling light here. You'll see out the window there is a hot tub. The hot tub is included. It's an older hot tub, but it is functioning. So you have the ability to keep that or remove it if you'd like. There's also a little privacy fence that blocks the wind and provides additional privacy on that south side of the hot tub area. Again, looking out, you can see your neighbor to the east. All of the lots surrounding this home, excluding the northern lots, have been built on, so you know exactly what your neighbors are and where they will be located. So again, this is the walkthrough of the home in Avalanche Circle. And I'll give you one more view of the kitchen area.